Today we will discuss a topic that is the zero vector. It is that vector which has zero magnitude, it is represented by it is also called null vector. Some examples we take: when a vector is multiplied by 0, when a vector is multiplied by 0, the result is zero vector. Second, the result of addition of a vector to its own negative vector is called zero vector. That is, a plus minus a give you 0. Now we take some common problems, that is boat and river problem, that we discuss with the help of vectors. In this case, first we take when a boat tends to cross a river along the shortest path. Here we will discuss the boat wants to cross the river along the shortest path. First we make the figure for it. Let this is the river. Let the boat row upstream, making the angle theta with AB with velocity V1. This is AB. Let the bot is moving with velocity V1, making angle theta with AB. Let V2 is the velocity of river flow. This is V2. AD this point as C. Now in the triangle ABD, sine theta is equal to V2 by V1 and the net velocity जो V रहेगी हमारे पास वो है हमारे पास V1 square minus V2 square. Here we take only magnitude. Let S is the width of the river. Now time to cross the river by boat T is equal to S upon V, that is S upon root V1 square minus V2 square. So in this case boat will we take the time T is equal to S upon root V1 square minus V2 square. Now in the second case we take when a boat tends to cross a river in shortest time. Here we take first we draw the river. The boat should go along AB like this with the velocity V1. Let V2 is the velocity of river, this we take velocity of river v2. Now the resultant velocity is v. This angle is theta. Now let this distance is x. And s is the width of the river. Now in triangle ABD, tan theta is v2 by v1 and v is v1 square plus v2 square. Now time to cross the river is equal to AD upon V, that is s square plus x square divided by v1 square plus v2 square. So these are the expression when a boat wants to cross the river in shortest time. Now we take further a very important concept related to vectors, that is the dot product of vectors. Dot product means scalar product of vectors. A dot B dot is magnitude of A, magnitude of B and cosine of the angle between them होता है. और ये जो क्वांटिटी आती है ये एक स्केलर क्वांटिटी आती है, इसलिए हम इसको स्केलर क्वांटिटी कहते हैं. Now I dot I is 1, J dot J is 1, K dot K is 1 because angle between them is 0 degree and here cos 0 is 1. I cross J is 0, J cross K is 0, K cross I is 0. Now we defined as dot product vector A is written as let AXI plus AYJ plus AZK. Vector B is BXI BYJ plus BZK. Now A dot B is equal to AX BX AY BY. हमें आपस में ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है, I को I से, K को K को, J को J से. This product is a scalar quantity, so it is called a scalar product. Let me take an example. एग्जाम्पल है इसके जो होंगे हमारे पास, वर्क इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी, फोर्स इनटू displacement, power, force dot velocity. Two vectors are perpendicular to each other if their dot product is 0. Let me take an example of dot product. A constant force two I plus 3j plus 4k Newton produce a displacement of 2I plus 3j plus 4k meter. What is work done? As we know, work is a scalar quantity. So work is equal to F dot S. We have to find the dot product. Now this comes 4 plus 9 plus 16, that is 29 joule. So work is 29 joule. This dot product is also used to find the angle between two vectors. Let me take an example. If the magnitude of two forces are 2 and 3 and the magnitude of their scalar product is 3 root 2, find the angle between the vectors. Now here magnitude of A is 2, magnitude of B is 3, and the dot product is 3 root 2. Now A dot B is A magnitude of A magnitude of B into cos theta. Now cos theta is equal to A dot B divided by AB This is 3 root 2, 2 upon 3. This is become 1 by root 2, that is cos 45 degree. So angle between them is 45 degree. Similarly, there is a very important product of vectors, that is vector product. This vector product other name is cross product. It is equal to product of magnitude of two vectors and sine of the angle between them. It has direction also. Vector product had the direction also. N cap, it is a unit vector which give the direction of A cross B and direction of cross product is given by right hand screw rule and right hand thumb rule. If two vectors A and B lies in the plane of paper, the direction of cross product A cross B is perpendicular to plane of paper. Now I cross I, J cross J and K cross K is 0 as the angle between them is 0 degree, and I cross J is K. J cross K is I, K cross I is j, and A cross B is equal to minus B cross A. Cross product two vectors is anti-commutative and if we write j cross I, this is minus k cross j is minus I cross k is minus j. Example are torque, that is R cross F, this will come later in your syllabus. Angular velocity, that is omega cross R. Now we will find the vector product. There is some method. A cross B is equal to I j k. Write the components ax, ay, az, bx, by, bz. We can write vector A as axi plus ayj plus azk, b as bxi byj plus bzk. Now when you solve this, we get the vector product, and in this way we get vector product as A cross B is equal to I, first we do this hand, then this hand, ay bz minus by az minus j ax bz minus bx az plus ax by minus bx ay k. हमें अगर I फाइंड आउट करना होता है तो वी विल लीव दिस बिकॉज परपेंडिकुलर हम लेंगे यहाँ पर ए एक्स बी एक्स को छोड़ देंगे ए वाई बी जेड माइनस बी वाई ए जेड. सिमिलरली जब हम जे लेंगे तो हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे ए एक्स बी जेड माइनस बी एक्स ए जेड. सिमिलरली के लिए होगा के में ये लाइन हम छोड़ देंगे ए एक्स बी वाई माइनस बी एक्स ए वाई. So this is the vector product of two vectors. Let we find an example. Find the vector product of two vectors. वेक्टर ए है हमारे पास 3i minus 4j plus 5k and vector b है minus 2i plus j minus 3k. We have find the vector product A cross B I j k 3 minus 4 5. यहाँ पे हमें कंपोनेंट लिखने हैं. अब हमें इसका वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट फाइंड आउट करना है. I पहले हम ये हैंड लेंगे फिर ये हैंड लेंगे. 12 माइनस 5 माइनस j माइनस 9 माइनस ऑफ माइनस 10 प्लस k minus 9 minus of 8. This become 3 plus 3 and minus 8. What we get? 7i minus j 1 minus 5k. So the vector product is 7i minus j minus 5k. So this is the scalar product and vector product of two vectors.